Operation Organize is a success. We are completed, and to prove it to you, I'm going to show you the hallway first. Look, it's a clean hallway. I promised you I would get it cleared off so we are safe from tripping over all of the wonderful things that we piled up way too high in here. So let's go see the design lab and see what we did. Franklin's going to show you the first part. Here is our workspace, our main table, and we have both of our computers set up. That is my computer set up right here. That's my mom's computer set up right here. As you can see, I can easily spread out everything I need for my next video. So here's a sneak peek of all of the glitter and glitz, and I'm going to play with some kaleidoscope powder, I hope, from Maker Forte. Below you can see I have the sublimation printer hidden behind all those cords. I still haven't quite figured out how to wrangle all the cords yet. But I have all of my pattern paper and 12 by 12 cardstock all labeled here. I have my stickers labeled here. And then this thing is really cool. It is actually a rolling bin, but I keep all of the Cricut mats in there, especially for the extra long ones. It's really nice. You can also see that I keep all of the painter's tape at the side of the table so that I can regularly reuse them until they are completely dead. So this is my paper crafting cart. It has basically everything I'm ever going to need for the most part. If I'm doing any paper craft, any gluing, any drawing, stamping. I don't have my stamps on there, but I have all of the accessory and card building parts for there. Here in the corner I have my Cricut pens, I have embellishments, the glues that need to stay out of the reach of children, and I have my stamp mounts, and all of the other stamp stuff is kind of all throughout all those drawers. Then here you can see I have my ink pads and my stamp sets. So underneath the window, we have a nice huge window, which is great most of the day until the sun shines in your face when you're on one side or the other of the desk. But here I have all of my stamp sets, all of my stencil sets, and then my rubber stamps are on the bottom in a little tote. I also have all of the glues are in the bins, so the safer glues, and then I have the card bases, envelopes, etc. in the open shelves, and some punches too. At the top though, I've decided that anything I'm working on currently or is kind of in queue, like I have a special order, those things will just be rotational here. I'm not going to keep anything specifically here at all times. Here is the little man's resting area for when he needs a nice snooze. And I haven't finished doing everything I want to do with these cubes, but you can see I have the little hideaway for all my sublimation paperwork. So I've just decided what is going to go in there. If I need to change it, I have a chalkboard and I can change the label. But I have some of my current products, some of my mom's current products on display here. So when I do lives, do videos, people can see it. Up top, that is actually a image I took with a cell phone when my brother and I were road tripping through, well, we were in New Mexico at the time, and it was a lightning storm, and I turned that into a graphic image. But it was a cell phone, it was a like iPhone 5, so really old. Here's a lot of cameras, some are my uncle's, some are my grandma and grandpa's, just a lot of passed down things that remind me of them. And I love photography. I am actually a photography minor. So here we have in the walk-in closet, it's not so messy anymore, woohoo. So up top we have all of the electronic things that we don't need immediately. I have all of my photography supplies. Then we have our scrapbooking organizing station, and followed by any canvas art that I have, and photography framing. Then I have some blanks of some items yet to be made here. And then this is my glitter station. I had to keep it very far away from the reach of children. That's why it's high up. And I only use it so many times out of the year, so that's okay. Then on the bottom here we have our shipping station, so any packaging or shipping materials that we need. We have more blanks, a few completed projects, a Cricut press that I will eventually pull out of the box. And then here you can see we have a little treat on the counter. So our incentive is that anytime we have a sale, we can dig into the treat bags. You don't have to, but you have the ability to. That's our little incentive to sell some of our products. And if you are interested in looking at our products, I do have the link down below. I always put it on my videos in case you want to support us, or just support the diaper fund, because I have a little tab for the diaper fund too. When you have 3 children under 3, there's a lot of diapers. Right, Franklin? He's saying right. All right, continuing on. We have all of these. I'm still putting some blanks, some finished products. Haven't decided. This is my party supply basket. I've narrowed all my stuff down to just a basket and a few files. Then we have our stencil cart, followed by my mom. She makes gnomes, so that's her gnome cart. Then all of my yarns are here. All of the t-shirts and onesies that I make are here. And then all of the gnomes. And then my mom makes door signs too. So we have a few of them up because we don't want those bows smushed. And then here's my leather craft and iron-on cart. And then all of my faux leather in drawers. And here you can see my Cricut machine with, I will be honest, that is still my junk drawer. That's anything I need to grab on the fly when I'm working late and just need something. And here's all of the 8.5 by 11 cardstock. Here is my mom's sewing machine, and we have the ability to put it in and out whenever we need to. And then she has her Cricut set up here. And this is really cool, something I came up with a while back, that all of the scraps go into these 12 by 12, or I think they're 13 by 13. I believe they're Iris brand, but the scraps, I've just put them in to color categories and it works great. So when I need like a little piece of black, I can go to my blacks, whites, browns, and whatever color that is. I can't see right now. The lights are blinding me. All right. And then finally we have the last closet, which has all of the vinyl HTV in the drawers. We have thread, and here's all of my washi tape and my embellishments that are too large to fit in tiny drawers. And then in here I have all of my softer products, so my onesies that are completed, my hair bows, they are all organized in there. And then we have a few more sewing things that are up here and organized in bins. So I hope you enjoyed our little tour today of the Design Lab. Operation Organize is officially over, and I will probably be doing it again in a couple of years, because that's how long it's been since the last time I did any organizing in the Design Lab. But I hope you learned something, and if I didn't mention where something came from, just let me know. The only things that we purchased furniture-wise are the metal shelf that the gnomes are on, and I believe I bought a few of the bins from Target to hold everything, but other than that, everything was something that we either already had or somebody had given to us. So nothing's really new here. It's all just about organizing and sorting through what you do have so that when you do go looking for it, it's there, accessible, and usable. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we hope to see you very soon. Say bye-bye. We'll work on that, right? Yeah. So I hoped you... Hi everybody, Bethany here. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what? Operation Organize is a success. He thinks so too. It is the table setup. Uh-oh, he got stuck.